Alright guys, I'm going to start over with it right now. First attempt. BJ Daniels. Sacked. You know, can't help it. Let me get the TV in y'all's view. Alright guys, attempt number 2. Sacked again. This is with the worst QB and the worst wide receiver. Remember this. Going up against the Seattle secondary, which is pretty good, so. I mean. Let's go! Success! Within the first 6 attempts. Wow! Let's take a look at this Hail Mary. From nearly the 44-yard line down to the 2-yard line. Where was the coverage? Chancellor and Sherman back there. They're not sticking their hands up. It goes right past them into the end zone. Touchdown. Can we relive the magic twice? Let's see. I want this one to go all the way into the end zone and him to catch it, not at the 1-yard line. That's a possibility. Oh no. But we did complete it. I'm just trying something new. Nope, Sherman picked it off. Sacked. We already completed it. I'm just testing it. Can we now do it in the end zone, like a complete end zone catch? Oh, I could have went back and caught that. Oh, Sherman got it. Sherman, you know, Sherman. I cannot go past this orange line. Sherman. For me to get this is going to be hard. Oh. Oh, we could have relived the magic twice. That is to a whole, that's the Simon. A whole different combination right there. And receiver. Chancellor with the interception. What if I stay in the pocket and just load it up? It's an incomplete pass. Intercepted. I'm gonna try something. Because you gotta be a mobile QB, you know. Oh, that could work. If he's quick enough. Oh, if he's quick enough, this can work. That's a whole nother person. Oh, that was him right there. That's it. That's it. Oh, overthrowing. That could be it. Nope. I'm going to respawn the ball to the 40-yard line so I know I can throw it into the end zone. Alright guys, so let's check this one out. Hail Mary. That is in the end zone and it's picked off.
Come on, let's go. What?
That's in the end zone and it's Sherman.
Here we go. Run through it. Here we go. What?
He took a hit.
Here we go. What?
Loading it up into the end zone and it's intercepted. Sherman.
Here we go. Run.
Woo-hoo! Nearly caught off the deflection of Sherman. Sherman.
Let's go.
Remember, I'm trying to jump over Richard Sherman and Cam Chancellor. So y'all gotta remember that. With the worst receiver in the NFL. So this might take a little bit. Ooh, Richard, if I would have just stayed on my feet right there and stopped running and just throwing it, that would have been DiBiase all the way. With the hit. Oh, no one caught that. I'm surprised the receiver didn't even try to catch that. That was all him. That was what the defensive end just made that noise. Chancellor.
Come on, let's go.
Ooh. Ooh, and he was one up on Sherman. Sherman.
Come on, let's go.
I'm just lobbing this to him, so that's straight down the field to him, and it's Sherman with a nice catch and a juke. Sherman.
Come on, let's go.
Ooh, that was off my fingers. Sherman.
Come on, let's go.
This is gonna take a little bit, guys. Ooh, trying to, maybe if I try to catch it off of their tips. Man, you gotta get past Sherman, that's the problem. You know, Sherman's one of the best cornerbacks in the league. Maybe all in within the NFL ever. So this is gonna be a tough one, and Sherman just keeps on picking it off. So I'm gonna lob this one straight into the end zone, and it's overthrown. I like this BJ Daniels guy, man. This BJ Daniels guys has been making some good throws. He's been throwing it from the 50-yard line into the end zone. So you check this one out. From the 50-yard line. I mean, this is just gonna be hard. Oh, right out of his hands.
Come on, let's go.
Sherman.
Come on, let's go. What?
Sherman again.
Here we go.
I'm gonna sit down, guys, because my back's hurting. But, yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Sherman.
Come on, let's go.
Ooh, that could have been the receiver right there. Ooh, that should have been the receiver right there. Sacked. Oh.
Here we go. Let's go. What?
Ooh, he caught it, but did not make it in the end zone, or was not even thrown in the end zone. Oh, that would have been him all the way, man. Ah, Richard Sherman though. It's that game. It's that defensive game by Richard Sherman, man. Ooh, great defense by Richard Sherman to block it. Oh, nice defense by Richard Sherman again with a nice tip. Oh, he caught it, but did not make it in the end zone, and the throw did not get in the end zone. Ooh! Ooh, what a hit! Sherman.
Come on, let's go.
Sherman.
Come on, let's go. What?
Sack.
Here we go.
Nobody even around. You gotta get in zigzag. Chancellor.
Let's go. What? Here we go. What?
Sherman.
Let's go. What? Come on, let's go.
Ooh, how did you not get it?
Here we go. What?
Ooh, look at the fake. Ooh, I like that.